Hi everyone, I'm John from Allied Communications. I'm here to show you our browser-based UC application, which is included in every seat in our Allied hosted platform. Right here we're on the dashboard where you can see pretty much everything. You have your dial pad up here on the top left. You can start calling, search for contacts, start a chat, use your meeting room, check your voicemails and your call history. That's right from the dashboard here. And on the left hand side you have the same options. Now as you see my name right here in green, this is my presence, so I'm available. To change your presence, click on my profile and you can change away, do not disturb, and you can even be invisible. Chats, you're able to chat with anyone in your organization who is currently set up with this application. Meetings is a 4-person meeting room where you can video chat and screen share. Voicemail is receiving your voicemails, unread, read, whatever you want to save in your voicemail box. History, it's a pretty robust history tool. Rather than looking at the missed calls, recent calls that you've made on your phone itself, you're able to go back as far as you like. And that's pretty much it. This is our browser-based UC application. And again, it's included in every seat. There's no extra cost here. You're able to use this instead of a desk phone if you really wanted to. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and follow for more videos to come. If you have any comments, please let me know below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.